Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy, Typical Security Guard. I'm going to do a quick switch out. I'm going to be taking the stock barrel that I have in my Glock 17 and switching it out with the double diamond barrel. You can get these at the GlockStore. I am not sponsored or affiliated with them in any way, but this is a gold barrel. Then I'm going to switch out, just kind of Gucci up the Glock a little bit, see how that looks. And yeah, I mean, really kind of cut and dry, but we'll see what it looks like. Go ahead and clear the firearm, make sure there's nothing in it. There is no magazine, there is no round. We are good to go.